Today we're going to talk about changing out your waste toner box. The first thing to know is that the machine will actually give you a notification to let you know that that box is almost full. This is a great opportunity for you to check your supplies and make sure you have one to replace it with. On every box, there are step-by-step instructions that show you how to install. Inside, you will have a new waste toner box, a cover, and a disposal bag. So now let's replace the waste toner box. Open the main door of your machine to reveal the location of the waste toner box. Push the two blue levers. Then pull out the full waste toner box. Be careful not to tip it. Take the blue cover and place it on the used box to seal in the toner, making sure to snap it in place. Then place the sealed and full waste toner box into the plastic bag for disposal. Now you can replace the new waste toner box. Press on either sides of the waste toner box next to the blue tabs until it clicks into place. Shut the door and you're done. If you're still having issues, please contact us using the phone number that's located on the Oasis sticker on the front of your machine. We hope this has made it simple and easy.